Okay, we're going to kind of give you a walkthrough here of our new greenhouse after installation. It is from Grower Solutions. It is a 16 by 28, has 30-inch roll-up sidewalls and one entry storm door at this time. So anyway, here's the front. Kind of give you a walkthrough, or a walkabout, I guess, of it. Some of you have been following the pictures and kind of remember what was in its place at the time. Nothing but a bunch of weeds and overgrown thickets. Anyway, so like I said, it's 16 foot by 28 foot, has the roll-up slides, and you'll see the basic handle. We have bungee cords now holding the roll-up slides. Basically, you remove, unlatch the bungees and roll the side down. That plastic will go down to that bottom baseboard and cover that to stop airflow. There is the water connection. Ran it from here to the inside so that we have water to the inside. Later I will tee off over here to provide the exterior water source. But for now, I just wanted to get water on the inside so we can get started. Here's the back of it. We have not installed the storm door yet. Once we do, that will tighten up that plastic, and we also will be doing some 2x2 framing on those end walls to host fans and or dampers, air dampers, louvers as you were, to vent the inside of it. So that's basically the back side here. Pretty boring here, I know. But anyway, here's the other side coming around with the roll-up sides. Grief. Anyway, so there's that. And we can take you inside, although there's not much to really see at this time. So let's do that. And we opted for gravel because we for one, do not care for bending over that much and having to work the ground. We'd much rather work from the waist up, so we will be putting in tables and or shelving, and as you see, hanging baskets. That's our first two plants there, the strawberry plants. And this purlin that runs along the center, we will add additional purlin down this side and run this length here, and then down that side as well, to add additional hanging basket storage or access. The water intake there, it'll all be enclosed, and in time we'll have timers and whatnot. There's an extra pipe on the ground there, a PVC pipe. That's just starting to collect my extras and pieces, because in the future we will definitely be running water to the stands and tables and whatnot. There will be mainly a row of tables down, or stands, benches and shelves along both sides with to grow, and then down the center will be the main growing, where there will be a table basically down the center as well. On each end, on this end, not only with the water, but we'll have also the electrical ran in here for all the timing controls, lights, that kind of stuff. And then sitting area, I guess, lounging in one, but mainly seed starter areas. And this is the hydroponic system that I purchased, that I posted pictures on. It is sitting in the wrong direction. It's going to sit perpendicular to the wall, of course. But once I get the pump figured out, then that will host like lettuce or strawberries or whatever we'll grow in that. I'm going to attempt to grow that hydroponically. And so anyway, that's about it. It's pretty boring right now because there's not really anything in it. The construction of the, here's our famous door pole, I guess. The bungee cord. The hardware would not fit on the frame. So anyway, that kind of sums it up. I know this isn't a very good video, but who cares? We're all unprofessional in what we do anyway. So, but that we're excited to get this thing going, get it up and going, and we'll post more later. Thanks. Bye.